Where I'm from in Iowa, landscape photography can be kind of difficult because there's not really a whole lot around here for landscapes. But today should be a perfect day for that because it's 12 degrees out and we should get some of the first ice of the year. And my whole goal is to get some leaves suspended under the ice. So I'm actually walking through a golf course right now, right by where I live. This golf course leads into a woods, which I like to go to a lot for landscape photography. It's really a nice place to go and get out of the city and get some cool nature photographs. So I'm gonna take you guys there and we're gonna go by a stream and try to find some ice or some leaves. So we just got into the woods right now and it's really nice in here. It's a little bit of a walk to get to the stream, but it's well worth it. And we should get some cool ice and freshly fallen leaves. It'll be a good time. So this isn't the river that I had in mind, but I found this really cool little composition here. There's this frozen river with some leaves frozen underneath of it, and there's this little imprint of a leaf that I took off, and it left this really cool little mark on the ice. So what I'm doing here is I've got my camera inverted, and I'm manually focusing, making sure to get that focus really precise. And I'm going to stop down about f4.5, which is about this lens's sharpest aperture. And then I'm just going to do a 2-second delay and mirror lockup, just to make sure there's no shake at all, and take the photograph. I found another little composition that's similar to the last one, just a little bit upstream. It's going to be the same as the last one, 2-second timer, mirror lockup, and we'll take the photo. So we've reached the overlook, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but right down there is the river, and we're gonna head down there and get some shots. We made it down to the river and it's pretty cool down here. I found this one cool little spot here. I'll show you where there's some leaves underneath the ice and there are little snowflakes or frost on top of it. It's kind of over a cliff, so I'm not going to set up the tripod. I'm just going to handhold it and get some shots. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. This is actually my first time vlogging landscape photography and I had a lot of fun doing it. Make sure to let me know what you think of it in the comments below, like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.